Conditionals are clauses introduced with if. The main types of conditionals are type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. Conditional clauses consist of two parts: the if clause, hypothesis, and the main clause, result. When the if clause comes before the main clause, the two clauses are separated with a comma. If the weather is good tomorrow, we will go to the beach. When the main clause comes before the if clause, then no comma is necessary. Type 0 conditionals, general truth. They are used to express something which is always true. We can use when, whenever, instead of if. If it rains, or when it rains, the roads get slippery and dangerous. Type 1 conditionals. Real present. They are used to express real or very probable situations in the present or future. If we work hard, we will finish the project on time. Type 2 conditionals, unreal present. They are used to express imaginary situations which are contrary to facts in the present and therefore are unlikely to happen in the present or future. They are also used for giving advice. If I didn't have to work such long hours, I wouldn't be so tired. Type 3 conditionals, unreal past. They are used to express imaginary situations which are contrary to facts in the past. They are also used to express regrets or criticism. If I had been more careful, I wouldn't have made such a big mistake.